My name is Mitus. I come from many generations of wise and wonderful individuals. None of you understand my nature. None of you understand why I am called the Midas dog. I know everything. I know when there is an invasion. I know when times are tough. And I know that you are all imbeciles. You in particular, it is you who are an idiot. But I will not say anything because I am a good doggy. I let others speak for me. Nice. When you full-growns understand my nature, maybe one day I can teach you my ways. Like, for example, I do not get in people's faces. I say hi when necessary. But when not necessary, I do not say hi because I don't care. Do you understand? Do you understand, little people? Oh, I have an itch. Oh, okay, it's gone. Okay. Ah, there it is again, that itch. It will never go away. You peoples, you should just leave. I hate you all. Go away. Go away. I hate you. Go away. I miss my brother. He was a good brother. He died at birth. Yes, he did. But I don't miss him because I know he's an idiot. Oh, that's it. It's bothering me. My back itches. I need somebody to scratch it. Oh, dadgummit. These people don't do anything for me. I feel so lost in the world, knowing that they do not care. They do not care for me because I am a good dog. They don't care. I hope you all realize that one day you will be in my position. And I want you to know that you are all idiots. So that you may grow up to have idiot children. Just like you are children idiots. Children idiots. Can you believe that? I believe it. You should believe it too. Okay. Bye-bye now. Oh, look, a fly. Bye-bye, you idiots. Bye-bye. Forever, maybe one day you will understand that I am the only thing you have. That is... What the crap is that? You people are trying to make me explode! You idiots! You idiots!